In today's video we are going to Plitvice National Park. We're gonna go see some caves, some massive waterfalls and beautiful lakes and stay up all night just to see the Milky Way. Wake up in the morning and have a good breakfast. So, we're all packed up and ready to go. So we walk into entrance 1 today, dropping this stuff in a security box and then explore the park. Alright, so I just left a little bit of luggage, a little lighter, still quite heavy. Crazy thing though, just if you're gonna leave your luggage here, it's like a common room, everyone can access it. I mean, they gave me the key, the only key they have as well. And everyone can put their stuff, like now I could just have grabbed all the bags, put them out here, go back with the key and have a lot of new stuff. So don't leave any valuables. So now the good weather is starting to come just when I'm arriving, so that's perfect. And here's views that don't suck. Sun's coming out, sky is getting a little blue with some white fluffy clouds. I think I'm gonna get some great shots today. So follow along. We're going This is steep. Burning all the shit I ate for breakfast. Found the cave. Whew, way up. What the? Oh, that's cool. Nice. Secret treasure tunnel. This view better be worth it. Closing in like half an hour, but again, like there's no entrance here, so I can just walk here, and I bet your ass there's not a single person. All right, going off road again. Ooh, this is scary. Oh, fuck! Better not fall here. Look at that. Oh, this is a bit scary. Wow, and I got this whole view for myself. And this is during high season. What the hell? I'm just gonna stay here, enjoy this music of nature, wait till the night comes, shoot some night stuff, you know, with the stars and everything. It's gonna be really cool to see how this is gonna turn out in the night. Anyway, this day has been amazing. let's take some photos and videos of this. So, night is coming down. It's getting dark. Some stars are popping out. Soon gonna get some good shots, but maybe half an hour more. It's getting really dark here, and it's freaking cold though. So if you're gonna do something similar like this, even if it's in the high season, I recommend you bring some a good jacket and some extra pants. Because I'm in shorts now and just a sweater, and it's a little cold. So I'm doing like jumping jacks just to keep myself warm. But that's what you sacrifice for the love of photography. I'm in the middle of the night here. If you could be here and see what I see, it's amazing. I mean, the whole sky is just bam. It's just filled with stars, and it just looks amazing. And I wish you were here to share with me, but I hope my photos gives you a little taste of what it's like to be in real life and just look up at the whole fucking Milky Way exploding right in front of me. And everyone's at their hotel sleeping now. Like, what the hell? This is the best part. It's magical. Oh, so awesome. But also scary because I hear a lot of animals behind me and it's complete fucking darkness. So hopefully it's just bears. Can't explain the feeling of just seeing the whole Milky Way in the sky. And it's, you just gotta come here after 9 and experience it yourself. And then I was taking a photo and I was like, why is it so dark? It shouldn't be that dark on the photo. And then I realized, oh, this was on. Kinda helps to have that off. Okay, second try. Let's go.